It's Sonic.exe back again. Oh, hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm showing you my new hit the button score, 58. Let's see if I can try and beat it. Okay. The sound is off again. Why? Ah, shoot. Oh, I'm pretty fast. I've learned more from this game. Let's see if I can beat 58. I don't know. I'm not sure. Ew. Boy. I'm not quite used to hitting all of the buttons. Maybe that's why I'm getting wrong ones. Because I'm not used to it. Okay. Come on. 55! That's still a good score. Should I go again, guys? Okay, let's try again. I'm actually a bit faster this time, actually. I'm gonna beat this. I'm going very fast. '60 out of 60!